Hello and welcome to a District 228 Tech tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Google Meet. Google Meet allows you to do video conferencing. You can use this with your students, you can use this with your coworkers, your supervisors, etc. So there are multiple ways to schedule a Google Meet. We're going to go ahead and talk about Google Calendar with scheduling meets in this video particularly, but we also have a tutorial on how to set up a Google Meet in your Google Classroom so that you can make sure you have a link for your students at all times in your Google Classroom. And you can also, if you're interested, create a Google Meet from the Google Meet webpage itself. Click on the Waffler Tic-Tac-Toe grid. You should see the Meet link here. You'll be able to create it in that space as well. For the Google Calendar specifically, this is most helpful if you want to schedule a Google Meet probably with your coworkers. Like I said, with your students, you're probably going to be best using the Google Classroom option. But you can go ahead and double click into whatever date and time you're looking at scheduling your meeting. You're going to create the calendar invitation just like you normally would for anything else. Give it a title, change the date and time to suit whatever your needs are. You can add your guests, and then you want to press this blue Add Google Meet Video Conferencing button. So when you click on the drop down, it shows you what the meeting link is. So the person that you invite to this should be able to see it through their calendar page, but you also have this link if they need to enter with the link instead. And then one of the features that Google Meet allows is that you can use a phone number to join the video conference if you don't have access to a computer with a webcam and microphone. So finally, the last thing I want to show you, you can add any attachments to your Google Meet that you're interested in based on your drive, based on all of your files, so that all participants have access to that. We'll be coming up with some more videos to show you features on Google Meet that you can use while you are video conferencing, but that is the basics of how to create a Google Meet using Google Calendar. If you have any questions, contact your librarians. Check out our website for more tutorials. Thank you.